Let's see. 봅시다. Okay. And which okay. Can you see my monitor? No? Okay. Okay, we are gonna have making sentence. Today is little difficult. Okay. Okay. How can you tell yourself me in Korea? Okay. And do you know Mr. Vitas? Okay. 악살 told 저는. Okay. Good. Good answer. Look at this. 나, 저. 저 means me. Polite version. Okay. 나 means me. Informal. Okay. Same meaning. Me. Okay. Okay, let's make some sentence today. Difficult. Okay, let's see. Okay. 저의, my 이름은 Okay. 악살. Okay, 악살, can you try to read this sentence? 이에요. Nice. Okay. And you can check 은. Okay. You can follow my pronunciation. 저의. Can you try? All of you? Good. 이름은. Good. Okay. Look at this. 저의 이름은. It's a little bit strange for pronunciation. Look at this. 이름은. Look at this. It sounds like 이름은. Okay? Yeah. This is why. Look at this. 미음. Here. Final consonant. Move this part. Okay? This part, 이응, doesn't have sound. Okay? So final consonant, move like this. About 이응 place. Okay? It will be replaced with final consonant. Always. Okay? One more time. Okay, Mr. Vitas, can you try put your name here? Okay, and can you try this sentence? Good. 이름은 good. Vitas. Vitas. Vita. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Vita. 에요. Okay. Look at this difference here. 에요. No 이에요. Yeah. For 악살 악살이에요. Is right. Yeah. For 악살. But Mr. Vita, for Mr. Vita, 에요 is right. Because your name doesn't have final consonant fact here. Okay? So 에요. But for 악살, there is final consonant here. So 이에요. Okay? So the Korean pronunciation try to go to become easily. Yeah. So like this one. 이름은 final consonant move here. Like this happens around. Okay? So all of you don't need to memorize grammar this. Okay? The problem is Korean grammar is one of the most difficult thing, yeah, I have seen. So I don't wanna explain that much. Okay. One more try. Okay, for 악살, can you try? Nice. Okay, Mr. Vita. 에요. This one. Vita. Nice. Okay, this one. This one sounds like 에. It sounds like A, E. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Difficult words today. 코, 골, 이. Can you try? 코, 골, 이. Sounds like 코, 고, 리. Okay. Mr. Vita, can you try? Nice. Okay. It means snoring. Okay. Let's see some video today. Let's see some how. Okay. 됐나? Okay. Can you listen my sound? Right? Okay. Okay, let's see. Look at this. Look at this guy. And this one, baby. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I can ask you here. 코 골아요? Can you try? 코 골아요? Okay. Mr. Vita, can you try it? Okay. It means, do you snore? Yeah. Okay. Mr. Vita, do you snore? Oh. Okay. Me too. Okay. 네. 골아요. 네. 골아요. 오케이. 오케이. 악살. 코. 골아요. Oh, you snore? Okay. Okay. Me too. Let's see. Okay. Can you guess this quiz now? Let's try.
1번.
Okay, number 1. 1번.
듣고 쓰세요.
Listen and write it down. Okay.
보기. 여우.
보기 means watching.
1.
Number 1. You can guess which one has to put here. Okay. Let's see.
요요. 2.
Okay. Which one? Can you try? Okay, Mr. Okay. Okay. Mr. Vita, can you try to read one? This one? It's okay. Okay. Now can you try? Nice. Okay. Next one. Okay, Aksai, can you try this one? This one. Can you? Yeah. Nice. Fox. Okay.
오이.
Okay. She told me. Oi. Aksai. No. Mr. Vita, can you try to read this one? Okay. Good. Oi. No. O. Okay, first. E. O-E. Okay. Good. Both of you doing good. Let's see. Okay. This one. Oh. Wait a moment. Please. Let's see. Okay. We have a quiz here. Listen, and if it is right for the sound, you can try to O or X. Okay. Okay.
(2번) 듣고 OX 하세요.
Yeah, it means listen and write or put O or X.
보기 여
Okay. Look at this. Here, 여. He told 여. Okay, so this is right or wrong? Do you think so? What do you think so? Good. Yeah. Next one. You are doing good.
1.
Number 1.
후
Who? He told who? This is right or X? Nice. Really good.
2.
Number 2.
지
Okay. He told G. Okay. Next one.
3.
Number 3.
갸
갸. He told 갸. Okay. False. Okay. Next.
4. 소
He told 소. He told 소. Okay. Wrong. False. Okay. 소 means cow. Okay. Cow. Next.
5.
보.
브